plugger. Yeah. The on-off, by the way, is over here.
Yeah.
Oh, here we are, right. So we checked it, we're off. Now, this always has to be in that position when you're working. Because what it's doing is it's stopping that coming undone.
Right, okay, yeah.
Right? So, the other thing to remember is this, too big. Okay, so we've got to get the right one on there. Now, because this has actually got a left-hand thread on it, because what it does is as it goes round, it tightens it. So you've got to think in your head, you're going to go the wrong way. Don't do what I've had people actually break them because they've put all sorts of scaffold bolts on, they want to do tight, blah, 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 blah. Next thing you know, they've broken the shaft, and then they've worked it out. Yeah? So I'm telling you quickly, that's part of what you do. So you want to change it, so you want to get this out of the way like that. I normally come up about here like that. Yeah. There you go. Alright, so I'm going to have to go the wrong way, like that. So we take it, so imagine we're going to, right, so get that like that. Now when you talk about health and safety, this off, look. If you want to change it, see this is a particularly, this one's got a 60mm bush onto a 25mm centre, okay? Because these have got a 25mm centre on them, alright?
Yeah.
Okay, so. Now if you have a look here, right, on this one you can even see a little arrow, look, see the arrow?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So that arrow's got to line up with that arrow, okay? Have a look at your blade, now make sure there's we're looking for any little cracks, look, anything, any damage, anything like that, okay?
Yeah.
So every day, literally every day before you start work, you just go through this procedure of quick look, yeah, perfect. There's nothing on there. Now, if I want to put this on there now, so here I am, I've got my blade, I'm going to put it on. So I've got to wiggle it about down there.
How much more life would you say that's got left in it?
Loads.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I'll have to see this job through, won't it?
Yeah, it's got it down. So, I've got a bit of grit there, look.
Yeah.
It up, get it into there. Now you've got to be careful, you think to yourself, right, I've got to tighten it up, so normally I'll go that way, I've got to go the wrong, I've got to go the left way, yeah?
Right, yeah.
So we're going anti-clockwise
against the blade.
So if you imagine as the blade turns that way, it tightens it up.
Yeah.
Now, if you had a three-phase version of this machine, it's actually possible to get the blade to go backwards, which is not clever because it's going to try and undo it itself. So here, this is 110 volt, it can only go one direction, so relax. Alright, so here, normally you think to yourself, oh, I'm going to tighten it up. Oh, no, I've got to loosen it off, yeah? So, put it in there. Once again, I always wear good gloves, like this. So make sure it's good and tight. Yeah. Now you notice, so if you do happen to slip, you've got that. Right, now remember what we said, everything's going like that. So you can have a little look at it. Lovely. Okay. Now, looking at the blade again, so I've now got this nice blade. It's all going nicely. I've checked it, so I'm going to check it now. Right. Now, if I get a problem with this blade and it starts to do this, it's normally because blades are tensioned and you can't quite see it on here because you've used it. There's normally like a tensioning mark. Now it keeps them stiff. So you've got to have water on that blade, right? Yeah. Now inside here, there's two little prongs with water coming in either side. Make sure, no damage. Any damage, forget it. Seriously, stop using it, use another one. Which means it's always good practice, like Corbett's, to have two. Okay. Alright, so that's good. Very nice. Spinning nice. Have a little feel here. Now I can't feel the movement, you need to talk to somebody to maintain it, alright?
Yeah.
So the general maintenance on here is just to clean it, keep it clean. All right. Down here, there's a grease point, which is right at the back here. But really, there's not a lot to do with these apart from keep them clean, keep them greased. These, you need to keep this a bit of a brush off. Keep the concrete off it. Make sure it's running nice. This is in nice nick. It's running well.
It's hosed down, cleaned out after each cut. Every day we've done it.
Lovely, perfect. So, you see the 150 mark? So I wind that into. So by eye, I'm going to have a look at that. I think I've gone too far.